Over the centuries, the health of planet Earth as a whole has been overlooked and neglected by the human race. Pollutants such as CO2, methane, and nitrous oxide have negatively impacted the environment, causing the ozone layer to deteriorate. Alternative methods to extract energy from natural resources have made it possible to reduce the amount of damage we as humans cause to the planet. Different types of renewable energy include solar, hydro, wind, and geothermal energy. Renewable energy is essentially made from resources that Mother Nature can replace, opposed to exploiting non-renewable resources and damaging the environment. This includes activities such as bombing mountains for coal and drilling into the ocean for oil, which puts marine life in danger. According to the Boston Globe, more than 50 Massachusetts legislators have co-sponsored legislation that sets a goal for the Commonwealth to use 100% renewable electricity by 2035 and 100% renewable energy by 2050 on all sectors, including housing and transportation.
There are many advantages of utilizing the sun for a source of energy. Using solar energy allows the population to save large amounts of money. If an individual places solar panels on their roof, it is expected that they will receive a good amount of money each year.
Solar panels are very expensive. Are they worth the investment?
They are definitely worth the investment. Not only do they help the environment, but they will also make the owner money as well. On average, it costs about $15,000 for a residential 3 kW system. Although the initial cost of solar panels is very expensive, converting to this source of energy will soon pay for itself and also benefit the environment around us. An average household in the U.S. will consume around 900 kWh each month. Installing a 3 kW system would nearly cut an energy bill in half.
Geothermal energy comes from the earth. It is created when heat from the earth, including lava from a volcano, is collected into a pipe, and liquid is thus pumped through to absorb the heat. A mechanism called a heat exchanger allows the system to take the heat and pump warm air through our homes. During the cold months, the system is able to work in reverse, taking the warm air out of our home and pumping it back into the earth. A geothermal heater is very energy efficient and almost none of the energy is wasted.
A geothermal heat pump system consists of a heat pump, an air delivery system, and an air exchange system of pipes. Pump systems are in the shallow ground of buildings. Most geothermal systems are in the western states. It's used to grow plants, pasteurize milk, and dry crops.
Wind energy is a free, renewable resource, so no matter how much is used today, there will still be the same supply in the future. Wind energy is also a source of clean, non-polluting electricity. Unlike power plants, wind plants emit no air pollutants or greenhouse gases. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, in 1990, California's wind power plants offset the emission of more than 2.5 billion pounds of carbon dioxide and 15 million pounds of other pollutants that would have otherwise been produced. It would take a forest of 90 million to 175 million trees to provide the same air quality. Wind energy is created when irregular heating of the atmosphere by the sun and inconsistencies of the Earth's surface coincide with the rotation of the Earth. Wind flow, or motion energy, is harvested by modern wind turbines and can be used to generate electricity. Wind turbines convert the kinetic energy in the wind to mechanical power. This mechanical power can be used for specific tasks, such as grinding grain or pumping water, or a generator can convert this mechanical power into electricity to power homes, businesses, and schools. About 9% of the energy our country uses yearly is harnessed from the wind.